Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class nursery. Our today's topic is bring the smallest number, part 2. In this part, I will solve 5 questions. Dear students, in the last class, I have shown you how to identify the smallest number, and we have to use the circle on that number. Okay, dear students, now see. First question, that is question 6. 3 numbers are given here. These numbers are 55, 58 and 53. Dear students, we have to find out the smallest number from these 3. Then we have to give a circle on that number. Okay, dear students, let us see. To identify the smallest number, at first we have to indicate the position of digit of each number. Okay, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. Okay, dear students, now see, notice here. Here, tens place of all the numbers are same. Here, tens place is 5. Here, tens place is 5. Here is also tens place 5. So we have to compare only ones place. Here ones place is 5, here ones place is 8, here ones place is 3. So we have to compare 5, 8 and 3, and we have to identify which one is the smallest. Okay, dear students, now see, 5 means we can consider 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 means we can consider 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here are 5 sticks, here are 8 sticks. Okay, we can cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3 sticks left here. It means that 58 is greater. So we can say 55 is smaller between 55 and 58. Now this number is vanished as this is not smaller. So we have to compare now 55 and 53. So to compare these two, ones place is 5. So we can use 5 sticks here. Now we can use here 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we can cut this 3. 1, 2, 3. So we can say 2 sticks more in 55. It means that 55 is larger and 53 is smaller. As this is larger, we can take this one. So we have to consider 53 as smallest number. So use the circle in 53. Use the circle in 53. Okay, dear students, now next question. Similarly, we can show tens place is 9, ones place is 4. Tens place 9, ones place 1. Tens place 9, ones place 6. So notice that tens place is same. So we have to compare only ones place. Here ones place is 4. So take 4 sticks. Here one stick only. And here are 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now compare these two at first. Here is only 1 stick. Here are 4 sticks. So 1 is smaller than 4. So this one is not correct. So we have to consider now 91 and 96. Here is 1 stick. Here are 4 sticks. 6 sticks. Here are 6 sticks. So take 1. 5 sticks more here. So this is larger. This one is smaller. So we can say 91 is the smallest number. So circle 91. Then go to the next question. Indicate the position of the digit. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Now here also tens place same. So we have to compare only ones place. Here is 7. So we can take 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks here. Compare these two. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 sticks more here. So this is larger. So we can consider this one. So we have to compare these two now. 4 sticks, 1 stick. As if we take 1, 3 sticks more. So this is not smallest. So we have to take 61 is smallest. 61 is smallest. Now next question. Question 9. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Okay. Now notice here tens place is same always. So we have to consider only ones place. Ones place is 6, so we can consider 6 sticks. Now ones place is 8, so we can consider 8 sticks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Compare these two. Here 8, here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 sticks more here. So this is not smallest, this is larger. So we have to compare this number and this number now. Here ones place is 3. Consider 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. So take 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 sticks more here. So this is not smallest. So this one is the smallest. 83 is the smallest. Circle that one. Okay, dear students, last question today. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Here also tens place same. As tens place is same, so we have to consider ones place. Ones place is 2. Consider 2 sticks. Ones place is 7. Consider 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now take 2. 1, 2. 5 sticks more here. So this is not smallest. Now we have to compare these two. Here is 2 and here are 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, dear students. Now we can take 2. 1, 2. So 4 sticks more here. As 4 sticks more, this is not smallest. So this one is the smallest one. 72. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood how can you identify the smallest number among these 3 numbers. Dear students, do this as your homework. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.